How to fix QuickBooks Error 179. For quick solutions. Solution 1, Clear browsing data. Step 1, open Google Chrome on your system and click on the three dots on the top right side of the screen. Step 2, open the History tab, click on History and select Clear browsing data. Step 3, in the Basic tab, select all three options and set the time range to all time. Step 4, then click on the Clear Data tab. Step 5, try logging into your bank account. Solution 2, log out from your bank account. Step 1, open your online banking website and sign into your bank account by entering your credentials. Step 2, then click on Sign Out on the top right corner of the page. Step 3, check that no one uses your credentials to log into your bank account. Step 4, then log into your online bank account as an admin. Solution 3, use the File Doctor tool. Step 1, visit, download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2, go to the search bar on your computer and type QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 3, double-click on the app to open it. Step 4, select the Company File Issues tab. Step 5, select Run QuickBooks File Doctor and select your company file from the drop-down menu. Step 6, if you cannot find your file, select Browse and look for it. Step 7, once you find it, select Check Your File and click on Continue. Step 8, enter your QuickBooks admin password and select Continue. Step 9, File Doctor tool will take 5 to 10 minutes to scan your file and resolve the issues. Step 10, after the scanning process, open QuickBooks and check if the error is resolved. Solution 4, verify the banking login credentials. Step 1, open your internet browser and navigate to the bank's online login page. Step 2, on the page's left corner, go to the login form. Step 3, enter your username and password and click Sign In. Step 4, sign into QuickBooks Online and click on the banking menu. Step 5, select the bank account you want to update and click the edit icon. Step 6, select Edit Sign-In Info and enter your updated login credentials. Step 7, select the Update button and click Done on the updated Sign-In Info screen. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.